2004 Acura MDX. We are doing the left rear door, or window. We're not actually replacing the window regulator, we're going to make it stay up, because they don't really care about the window working. So we're going to take off the door panel. We have unclipped this little thing to expose the screw, and then there's another one down here. There's two screws, one there and one there. So let's get those off. We've gotten the screw out of here and out of here. For up here, you're supposed to pull this off, so you pull forward and then it pulls out. I already disconnected this little wire thing so that way I can pop this out one-handed. Like that. You move this little retaining clip back so you can pull the piece out and then remove that. Next, we're gonna have to pop this off, which will be lift. So let me get, this is now loose. There is a clip here and here and here. There is a tab there. So do not pry it from this end, only pry it from this back end. If you try to pry it from the front end, you're just gonna break off this clip, and that's just not gonna be good. Then all you have to do is unplug this, boop, like so, set that to the side. And now we will pop off all the panel clips around the door. We have pulled the bottom clips out, and now we should just be able to lift up, like so. Ta-da! Now there's one more plug down here. It's for the bulb, just a half turn, and bingo bango, you got it out. We have successfully got it stuck up there. How would you like to know? I literally zip tied it to the bracket that is bolted to the body. So the regulator, the window, this part, which is what slides up and down, is now zip tied to these brackets here that are bolted in. So the window is not moving. And that is what the customer requested, so we did. I hope this was beneficial in some fashion to your day if you searched for this, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode then.